Volcanoes are openings in the Earth's crust where molten rock, called magma, escapes. Once it reaches the surface, magma is known as lava. Most of the world's volcanoes are located along the Pacific Ocean's Ring of Fire, an area with intense tectonic activity, causing frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The ash from volcanic eruptions can affect air travel and climate. It can spread for thousands of miles, even block sunlight, lowering temperatures globally in severe cases. The largest active volcano on Earth is Mauna Loa in Hawaii. It covers an area of about 5,271 square kilometers and rises over 13,000 feet above sea level.